welcome to the 2014 Ballon d'Or Awards. Now is not a good time. This year, as FIFAs continue to move with the times, the award will be decided by a rap battle. Let's decide who will win the FIFA's Ballon d'Or.
Cristiano Ronaldo, Real and Portugal.
FIFA's Ballon d'Or.
Lionel Messi, Gishin, Barcelona and Handball Argentina.
FIFA's Ballon d'Or.
Sabrel, Naya, Bayern and Jamaican.
FIFA's Ballon d'Or.
Parents of up, just like we did with Garcia's report.
It's so clear, it's so easy to see. The best player in the world this year was me. More goals, more assists, more trophies won. I've got muscles popping out everywhere, even my statues.
I've seen your statue. Yes, I know the one. The only thing that's accurate is that it is bronze.
This your plucked brows,
Greased hair,
so much more.
The only award you're taking home is the Ballon d'Or.
Cause I'm the Champions League and the Spanish League's all-time top scorer. And I know how gutted you were when I broke those records before you in the World Cup. You did sweet all. Me, the final and the golden ball.
The golden ball, that was golden bullshit.
The only thing you did in that final was that lame sky high free kick.
You act like Mr. Perfect, well you're just a sham.
You're in deep shit with the taxman.
You try to lead through Instagram.
FIFA's Ballon d'Or.
My career is thriving thanks to penalties
And diving.
FIFA's Ballon d'Or.
It shouldn't be about looks.
There's your burgundy tongue.
FIFA's Ballon d'Or.
It runs the World Cup. You're a goalie shotter.
FIFA's Ballon d'Or. The votes are nearly in. Who is going to win? The winner of the 2014 Ballon d'Or Award is Kelvin Ibrahim from Qatar. Now is not a good time. Who will win the FIFA's Ballon d'Or?
Cristiano Ronaldo, Real and Portugal.
FIFA's Ballon d'Or.
Lionel Messi, Gishin, Barcelona and Handball Argentina.
FIFA's Ballon d'Or.